Hello friends. Welcome to your YouTube channel, the School of Homeopathy. Today's topic: typhoid. Typhoid fever, also known simply as typhoid, is a bacterial infection caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi. It spreads through contaminated food, water, or close contact with an infected person. Typhoid fever is characterized by high fever, abdominal pain, and gastrointestinal symptoms. Causes of typhoid fever. Typhoid fever is caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi. It is typically spread through contaminated food and water. Consuming food or water contaminated with the bacteria can lead to infection. Poor hygiene and sanitation. Inadequate sanitation and hygiene practices can contribute to the spread of typhoid. Close contact. Direct contact with an infected person, or with objects or surfaces contaminated with their waste, can lead to transmission. Symptoms of typhoid fever. Symptoms of typhoid fever can range from mild to severe and usually develop within 1 to 3 weeks after exposure. Common symptoms include high fever. Sustained high fever is a hallmark of typhoid fever. Headache. Intense headache is often present. Abdominal pain and discomfort, especially in the lower right side. Weakness and fatigue. Profound weakness and fatigue are common. Loss of appetite, decreased appetite, and weight loss can occur. Gastrointestinal symptoms, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea are common. Rose spots. Small, rose-colored spots may appear on the abdomen and chest. Constipation may alternate with diarrhea. Enlarged spleen and liver. The spleen and liver may become enlarged. Homeopathic medicines for typhoid fever. Bacteria, considered for high fever with a sensation of heaviness, aching muscles, and a putrid taste in the mouth. Arsenicum album, used for intense restlessness, anxiety, and weakness during fever. Bryonia, considered for fever with headache, body aches, and worsened symptoms from movement. Gelsemium, used for fever with weakness, trembling, and lack of thirst. Rustiox, considered for fever with restlessness, joint pain, and aggravation from cold. Pyrogenium, used for persistent high fever with intense body aches and prostration. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment box. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this.